We're here sa floating market. We're on the boat. Right now, we're searching for food. This is the big market now. Coconut ice cream.
Distance. Pad Thai. หัวเรือ
okay มาเลยอ่ะ100 na.
Nag-order kami ng food dito. And fresh nila lulutuin yung food. So, mainit siya kapag makukuha mo na.
Atay.
Taste test. We're going back now. Taste test. Good. Sweet. Alang barbecue. Grilled.
Mang-inasal pero sa
Chicken wing.
lang.
Tapos na kami sa floating market. Kakalabas pa lang namin. Next na pupuntahan is yung one of the cafes. We're here. Manpai Saina Cafe. Kailangan mong tanggalin yung shoes mo para makapasok dito sa room. Ito yung makikita sa labas. Pwede ka din humiga dito sa labas. Ito yung menu. I-scan mo. Fries with fried chicken, tofu, fried noodles, fried rice, tempura, fried chicken, and yeah. Tapos ito yung playground for kids. Next cafe, Bubble in the Forest. Pupunta kami doon sa building. Okay, we're here sa building. And may numbers yung table. And this is table number 41. Also, may electric fan sa likod ko. So, kailangan maghubad uli ng slippers, ng shoes, para makaupo dito. Kon nang nakaupo sa harap ng electric fan. Magugulo yung buhok mo. Our drinks and what's that? May sashimi dyan.
Water yata. Konti lang eh.
Lang yung torrent.
This cheesecake is so good. Literally.
So if may
Paalis na kami. Tapos, next destination is the temple. Tickets. Tapos, isa-stamp ka nila. 6 PM yung close nito and nakapunta kami dito 5:55. So, 5 minutes lang kami dito. Sayang di tayo nakalibot dito. We are lost. Help us, please. It's raining. It's almost raining. Umaambon. Okay, we're together na. We have found them. Going. Because it's kind of raining. Also, magka-close na sila. It's really raining. Andito kami right now sa Icon Siam. Turns out, we're just passing through here. Bumili lang kami ng tickets for the dinner cruise. Mabalik na lang daw.
Hindi ko nadala.
It's really raining. Another sticker. This boat is number 8. Okay, nakakuha na ako ng food. This is fried rice, grilled chicken, fries, sushi, crepe, creme brulee, papaya, melon, and sashimi. Nakaalis na kami ng cruise, ng boat. Pasakay na kami ng car. Going home. We're back in our hotel room and our day is finished. Day 2 completed.